about to go feed Skunk, give her her dewormer, and then we're gonna go to town, and I have to get a gate and stuff for the barn. We got to get it ready for the big winter storm coming so we can put her in it. We have a forecast of 0 to 24 inches of snow, so who knows what it's gonna do, but we got to get ready for it either way. And then once I get all that, we are going to, and when I say we, I mean me and my best friend, we are going to take a horse lesson together. I am so excited. This will be my first horse lesson since I was like 12 years old. So here I am at almost 22 years old taking a riding lesson, but I'm so excited. I think it'll do me a lot of good and hopefully help me build some confidence that I can rub off on Skunk. But I will be taking the GoPro along and getting some footage from the lesson. So I'm super excited for that, and hopefully it turns out into a good video. So let's get our day started. So I just dropped my son off at my mom's house, and now we're gonna go get some stuff done because I am running out of time. I have got to get to town and get everything done before the lesson. So since the barn is so close to my house, I get my hot water from the house and take it down to the barn for her feed because I soak her alfalfa pellets in hot water. This is my water jug. This holds the perfect amount of water, and it's leak proof and has a handle, so it's literally perfect for going back and forth from the barn. You can actually see her out this window. If my sink wasn't so full of dishes, I probably wouldn't have this problem, but I am behind on chores. I normally just walk down here to the barn anytime I'm doing anything, but since I've got so much stuff, like the bucket got left at the house, the water and my tripod and everything, I decided to just drive down here, especially since I'm in a hurry. So while her feed is soaking, I go ahead and get my other bucket and just put like a little bit of feed in it just to move around because that makes it a lot easier to catch her. Like literally just enough to make some noise. Get my halter and lead rope. All right, let's go get this girl. Queen was sleeping. There's some sheepies down here. Hi, Mama. It's your baby. Hi, little curious sheep. I don't think she wants to share. It's not for you. You can't have it. Hi, Queen. It's a mama. He's so good. He's a good girl. All right, Skunky, let's head to the house. Feeling lazy? This is my stuff from Tractor Supply. I got her some supplements and then her dewormer. All right, let's go ahead and get you your wormer. Hold on, honey. Does it smell good? I'm not even sure what the flavor is. If I can get the cap off. Am I doing it wrong? Hold on, I'm trying. Oh my gosh, I feel stupid. Shoot, I didn't grab my knife either. Oh, that worked. All right, ready? Here. We just lost a ton of it on your halter. Here, take that. I don't know if I was supposed to touch it. Is it good? Your teeth are so pretty, sweetheart. Here, there's a little bit more. Oh, probably. That's strong. Alright. that's all. That made a mess. You're done. Get over here and quit throwing a tantrum. She does not want to stand in this mud, and I don't blame her, but we literally don't have anywhere else to stand. Okay, I put her over here where it's grassy, and we just done a little simple ground tie so she can eat her food. Okay, so here's where we're at with the stall. Hunter put these boards up last night, and they look really good. I think that's going to work. And then I'm going to get a gate to put here. And then I got to move all of this straw over to the other side and then use one of them for bedding and get this all cleaned up. I think this will be really cozy though. I'm really glad we're getting this done before the storm gets here because it's supposed to stay it's supposed to stay in like the single digits for up to I think 7 to 8 days. So as long as it's snowing and everything, I want her to stay in here where it's warm and stuff, and I can keep an eye on her. I can see her straight out the house window, and she's close to the house. I can keep her warm, fresh water, and feed and everything. So she's literally just standing there untied. She's being so chill today. So we have nowhere up here really for her to stand tied while she eats. I only do that though so the other horses and the sheep don't eat her food. That's usually why I keep her at the barn while she eats, but it's just not going to happen today. But Queen is still laying down, and all the sheep have been moved over to the other pasture, so I think she'll be okay to stand here by the gate and eat. That should work. Love you. I'll see you later. Okay, now I gotta go get my GoPro and everything for the lesson tonight because I have to leave straight from town to the lesson, so I gotta make sure I have everything before I leave here. Okay, I think I got everything and we're ready to go. I got gloves, an ear warmer, my vest, and my neck scarf, just in case it gets cold. I've got money, my water. I had to get in the truck to take the gate, so that's why I feel so like off, like I'm forgetting something, because I know I have everything I ever need in my car. So switching everything over just always feels weird to me, especially to be gone and like doing stuff. I feel like I'm gonna forget something. I think the only thing I don't have is chapstick, which sucks because my lips stay so chapped, but I think we'll be okay. So we're coming down here to TSC first to look for those little green, I'm not sure if it's kerosene or propane, but those little, so loud, oh my gosh. But those little green tanks, I need to get some of those, and then we're gonna go to Rural King for the gate and all that. I swear everybody and their mom is here right now getting stuff probably for the storm, so they're probably gonna be out of stock of these anyway. I was literally like just here yesterday and they were completely out of the feed that I get, and I was needing another bag, so it's restocked and I'm gonna grab it. They were of course completely sold out of the propane tanks, and it was a madhouse in there. I swear somebody was coming in every 5 seconds and asking them, do y'all have any propane or kerosene? And then she was like, no. So we'll try it with Rural King, but I highly doubt they have it. Y'all, I kid you not, there is a line over here to get propane. It says we fill propane tanks, and there's a line of probably 6 people, and every person has like 3 of those big tanks waiting to fill their propane. So I'm getting some of this chain for the gate. I'm gonna have somebody come cut that. And then I'm thinking about doing this one. Okay, we got our chain and our little thing to hook it to. I was trying to find her a jolly ball, but I don't think they have any. Okay, so here's the gates. They're gonna load it up for me. It was absolute madness in there. I mean, it was insane. There were people everywhere, and there was only 2 cashiers and 1 person trying to do returns. It was insane. I was so glad to get out of there. I'll probably sit here and wait 30 minutes for somebody to come out and load this gate for me. I grabbed me an Alani while I was in there though. I was like, I'm gonna need this after all this chaos. That's what I needed. Okay, got the gate. I know I probably looked like an idiot back there strapping it down, but I got it. It ain't going nowhere. So while we're sitting here waiting, I want to show y'all my necklace that I made last night. This is like a china plate that they turned into a cab. It's a spur. Okay, so anyways, about my necklace. So it's a china cab spur, and then it's got a cutting horse and a cow on the top that's sterling silver. So I love this. I have been wanting a piece like this forever, so I just made it myself. Alright, I'm gonna get me some lunch.
Welcome to McDonald's. Do you have an online order with us today?
Yes, I have a mobile order.
May I have your code, please?
N092.
Taylor?
Yes.
Alright, please follow the first window. We'll take care of you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, it is currently 1:34 and we don't have to leave for the lesson until 2:30. So I'm going to go over to my friend that's going with me, her boutique, and I'm going to sit over there and eat. Yeah, y'all like my little strap job I did there? We made it to our lesson barn. Let the barrel down. So you don't end up like floating around and then he just takes you on to the first barrel. He looks so good on him. So for today's riding, I was on a 26-year-old quarter horse named Tex. He is a been there, done that kind of guy, and he does not know that he is 26 years old. We talked to the woman beforehand to let her know where we were at with our riding experience and what we were wanting, and what I described is exactly what I got. Tex is the perfect confidence builder. He is just enough pushy that, you know, you have to make sure of what you're doing at all times with your hands and your legs, or, you know, he'll kind of not necessarily take off with you, but he does want to go. And that is how my mare is, and I had zero confidence riding her. But I knew this guy was safe, and he is just teaching me everything I need to know with a horse like that. He was so much fun to ride, and by the end of this lesson, I felt so much better and was able to even get up the speed to run the barrels. Sorry. Bro, you're gonna get fined for this. I'm sorry, Tex. She just killed our pattern. I'm gonna get a 13. Okay. We're going so fast. Sorry, Tex. I know I gave you a mixed signal there. Oh my goodness. Yeah, he does. Easy. I just wanted to try it. He said, okay, we're running barrels. Oh. Hi. Were you just gonna run into Joey?
I'm trying to get him to turn this way.
No, him. I just thought he was gonna run. That could have been bad. If our legs are intertwined and they took off. Ring around the rosy. I didn't know you were going for it too.
I wasn't.
Oh.
He keeps ducking and rolling here. Look, that's what he does.
You gotta make him listen. Watch it, Joe. Oh, okay. Oh. Stand still. Yeah, I'm gonna have to lengthen the stirrup.
You want me to hold him like this?
Yeah. I think he'll just stand here. I got it. Thank you. How many I moved it, now the other one's gonna
Count it now.
There's so many. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah.
Feel better?
I think so.
Can you stand up?
The teeter-totter?
Yep.
Do you want to, does he like to follow him? Do you want me?
Yes. Let me see if he will go.
Okay.
All the way down. Because I think because the little girls.
The kids has been letting him do that. Get going. He's a gassy boy. Easy text. Oh. Oh. Good job.
I'll set the third one up if you want me to.
If you don't care, we can try it.
I don't want to. Oh, you got it. You ain't gonna have no try. You got it.
Good boy. Booty bump.
Anybody who can always walk the stuff.
Oh, Lord.
This is so much fun. Oh my gosh. Good boy. Oh. Oh. Good boy. That was awesome. Good boy. I gotta catch my breath, man. Easy. Okay. Oh. Oh. Easy.
Just kind of, when you go to your first girl, just kind of use your right hand and bump him. But don't ask him for a load. Just kind of bump him that way and let him trot.
Okay. Whoa, easy. Easy. Good boy. Good boy. Easy. Good boy. Easy. Good boy. That's awesome.
He's so fun.
He's very forgiving.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. He's like, honey, I got this. Just sit up there, baby.
Good boy.
I like him even more on the poles. He's so fun.
Oh.
Pull that tight, crank his head around to the left, and just turn him to the right. Keep pulling.
This would be a cute picture, like.
Oh, I wish I had my phone. I would get a really good picture. I can get a
Wait.
and screenshot it.
I feel like I'm laying lopsided. Oh.
Because his legs are.
He's just lazy.
He just switched legs.
I think he's just lazy.
All right, buddy. Let's try this. Oh. He wouldn't look back. Huh? I don't feel like one. That hurt my butt. No, we're not. No, we're not gonna go again. Here, let's just trot circles around Joey. Hey! Easy. No, we're not doing the barrels. Easy, buddy. Easy. Oh. 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 Mister. Hey. Oh. Yeah. We done the barrels one more time and then he just wanted to go.
Once you let him look through it, like, yeah, she's ready.
Hey y'all, it is the next day. Yesterday's riding lesson went so amazing. I had so much fun and really enjoyed it and definitely built a lot of confidence in myself as a rider. The snowstorm is supposed to hit in the morning, so Hunter took off work early today and we're going outside now to finish putting up the gate and get her stall ready. Hit you in the head with it.
Yeah, I bet you probably want to. The wood needs to be cut off. Should fall off.
Good deal. Yeah, this'll work. Gotta get all this straw out of here. I'll let him throw and I'll go stack.
What do you want to do?
Right there. Back. I think this is where we're going to end today's video. I've got a few more things I need to take care of and I'm going to try and let her get settled down and calm for the night, but I got to go get her hay. I swear if she headbutts me, she knows better. But thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe and we'll see you next time.